Hey, my people, what is going on here? Oh, Lydia Alichi, our Nollywood actress, and one other Yoruba Nollywood actress. What are they doing here? Boxing. So, my people, watch this video. Please share and follow my page. Thank you, and God bless.
Wahala be like bicycle. What in the name of Nollywood boxing be this one? Hey, wait, my country people. This our actress Chizzy Alichi, and another Yoruba Nollywood actress, Lydia Bakere, finally did a face-off boxing. Now, wow, so many celebrities actually gathered to watch them do this face me, I face you box off to show, for them to show who is the strongest, who is more tactful. And this was Chizzy coming on stage prepared. Like, I'm the champion and the conqueror, I'm going to be the winner, I'm gonna take the cup. Now, wow, no be smart, see actress Lydia Bakere. Looking at both of them, una go believe say na actress Lydia Bakere go win Chizzy but wait, why Chizzy kneel down like that? Now so they tell they do this boxing. Hey, wait, wahala, no be smart, look at people that actually gather to watch this. No be small thing o. You guys remember when Zazu Portable and Phenomenal Chas did their own, and Zazu surprisingly won. See Mama G, dey cheer on, she was there live and direct. See Bobrisky, but wait, wetin Bob put for chest? Wetin be that thing wey I just see now? I want to rewind that video, make I check that thing again. Shebi how e dey pain me ni? Anyway, my country people, the surprising thing about this their boxing whatever is that actress Chizzy and Lydia Bakere had a social media banter not too long ago. If it's not this month, then it should be last month. Actress Lydia Bakere called that Chizzy is very disrespectful. By the way, this is actress Lydia Bakere when she was preparing to give Chizzy woto today, but it be like saying na Chizzy can't give her woto because na Chizzy can't win. But anyway, Lydia Bakere come dey tell us say Chizzy dey very disrespectful, say she no get respect, she's always feeling too big of herself, she doesn't see anybody else, she feels like she's on top of the world, she feels like she's bigger than anybody in the Nollywood. Abba, say she even throw a greeting give her one time, say respond because she's too full of herself, say she no dey gree person. Now so Chizzy come one and say make you comot my name from your mouth. That was few weeks back when they were having their social media banter. People sef come dey wonder say wait to Chizzy no be troublemaker o, wetin dey go on? Anyway, whatever she said, she might be right. Whatever that happened, we are siding Chizzy. That's majority of the comment because she is not a troublemaker. So we know say today they go do this fight of wait. When I see how Chizzy come bring down Lydia Bakere. Oh, no be smarty, no be smarty, no. Now wow, no be smarty. So Chizzy now they happy. She don't celebrate, say she don't win. Lydia Bakere say me Lydia Bakere no insult am again. But some people believe say that their social media banter is actually fake. Sometimes when people want to gather attention, they will first of all do one or two. Especially sometimes celebrities do it when they want to release a movie, artists do it when they want to release a song. They will just want to trend. So maybe they did that one to get our attention. But anyway, this is it, my country people. Don't be smart, Anyway, congratulations to Chizzy. I don't understand why she need that for here, honestly. Now wow. Not